Hello, this is Joan of Art on a Good Friday, and this is the new normal, how people celebrate the Lenten season.
Come, thy will be done.
This is the Semana Santa celebration,
Give
typical
us this day
of
our
Catholic
daily bread.
Philippines.
Forgive us
So
our
Semana Santa
trespasses,
is the
as
Holy
we
Week.
forgive those who trespass against us.
So the new
And lead
normal
us
now
not into
is
temptation, but
um,
deliver us from evil.
oops,
Amen. Hail Mary,
the
full of
change
grace,
of
the Lord
some
is with
things
thee.
like change of
Blessed art thou
traditions.
among women,
So instead of the
and blessed is the
traditional
fruit of thy womb,
procession of
Jesus.
people, a
Holy Mary,
conglomeration of
Mother
people
of God,
walking
pray for us
down the
sinners,
street, it's
now
now
and at the hour of
comprised
our
of
death.
vehicles and also ambulances or rescue teams. So no more people, and I think just one statue, and that's it. So not much um, show of those traditions, and I think just for now, uh, that kind of tradition now is gone. So that's our procession, Semana Santa procession for the Holy Week. Biyernes Santo is Good Friday. So this is a Good Friday right now, and that was our Semana Santa procession. This is Joan of Arc. See you in our next video.